Hello, I am Sam Harben. My story begins May 17, 1954. On that very important date in American history, the U.S. Supreme Court decreed that a state law which required school children to be educated in separate facilities based on their race was inherently unconstitutional. I was in a history class on that date when our teacher announced to us the decision of the court. We asked our teacher, "What does that decision mean for us?" And I will never forget his words. He said, "It means you will have to go to school with Negroes." He didn't pronounce the word Negroes the way I am pronouncing it. I was dismayed by the reaction of my classmates and many teachers as well. There was expressions of outrage, anger, resistance, even racial slurs were uttered, and there was a lot of fear and anxiety as well. 7 years later, I was a student at the University of Georgia in my last semester in law school. That was the time that two very brave students, two African-American students, were admitted to the university on court order and became the first African-American students at the University of Georgia. I had hoped that they would be greeted respectfully and even with open arms, but unfortunately they were met with riots, with protests, both from students at the university and from non-students as well who came to the university to participate in that very shameful part of our history. After I graduated from law school, I had the opportunity to work with or to volunteer with the ACLU to represent some individuals whose civil rights had been violated. I saw a lot of progress at that time. I felt that we were on our way to a better society. In fact, the University of Georgia now has an academic building that houses the admission office and is named for Charlene Hunter, now Charlene Hunter Galt, and Hamilton Holmes, those two students who became our first African-American students. And at my high school, the drive that enters from the high school is named the Deshaun Watson Drive in honor of Deshaun Watson, who is a proud graduate of Gainesville High School and was the outstanding quarterback, college quarterback, and now in the NFL. So I've seen a lot of progress, but I know that there's a lot more progress to be made. We are a long ways away from a fully integrated society where everyone's rights and privileges are acknowledged. So it was an honor to be a witness to history and to be a small part of it as well. Thank you.